channeled and I was guided to do this one. They also said to me, and I wrote this down because I felt like this was good, and I know I wouldn't remember all of this. I can't possibly remember all this. They wanted me to pose the question, who am I? For you, who am I? How much of me, this is you saying this, is freely flowing inside of your body and your system? How much is freely flowing? And this is what I heard. Our bodies are so compressed into such a physical form, but the body is a magnificent lens in which we enter into our 3D experience, because that's just what this is. It's just a 3D experience that we're having, all of it. And so our mental body kicks in and pushes the physical to what it thinks it should be. So that's interesting when you think about it. You know, how we think is what actually controls and pushes our physical body, right? Because without the mental state, the body can't react. It doesn't react, right? So there's three levels of our self. There's the higher self, which remains in spirit form all the time and is connected to all that is. There is the mental, emotional body, which the psyche, the ego exists within. If you want to move, so the sun's not on you. Okay.
Thank you.
And then there's the third, the physical body, right? So we know that the mental, emotional is what charges the physical, okay? And tells it what to do, so to speak. So I hear to stay present and be, and let go of the attempts to control or force the mind's limiting beliefs. Then we can discover how to stay in the realm of what's possible and love. And this is our journey right now, to let go and stay in the realm of what's possible. Because we are in a time right now of heavy-duty possibilities, right? Allowing the light and the love, the magnificent souls of who we are, to flow freely. So I've put together, or I have a regression, which is going to connect us to our master guide to help build a relationship more than maybe what we have already with it. Maybe some of you are very in tune with your master guide. I don't know. And then maybe some of you want to be more connected. So what is the lesson and how to rebuild a new story? After having done what we did, letting go, now we want to rebuild without that which confuses us, angers us, whatever it was that we let go of, right? So we're going to need our master guide for guidance. So if you will get in a place and get quiet for a few minutes, because we're going to do another journey to meet our master guide. And I'm going to guide you in so that you can connect with your master guide and hear what it wants to guide you from this point moving forward, having let go of what you just let go of.